If you need to cancel Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full cancellation process step by step so you can avoid confusion and make sure you cancel the correct plan. I'll also mention a few important things to keep in mind, especially if you have more than one Lucid product on your account. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Lucid account using the email address and password that you normally use. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or your initials there. Click on that to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to the page where you can manage your Lucid account details, billing information, and plan settings. On the left-hand side of the screen, find and click Plans and Billing. This is the section where all of your subscription and payment options are listed. Now look under the section labeled Your Plans. Here, you should see the Lucidchart product that you want to cancel. If you have multiple products, make sure you choose the right one. For example, if you also have Lucidspark or another Lucid subscription, those are managed separately, so you'll need to cancel each one individually if you no longer want them. Once you find the correct plan, look for the three-dot menu next to the plan price. Click that menu and then choose Cancel this plan. Lucid will usually ask you to confirm the cancellation, so follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Read each message before you click Confirm, just to make sure you understand what will happen next. A very important thing to remember is that cancelling does not always mean your access ends immediately. In many cases, your premium features will stay active until the end of your current billing cycle. That means you may still be able to use the paid features for a little while after cancelling, depending on your subscription timing. If you are cancelling because you only need a break, it's still a good idea to check your billing date before you complete the process. That way you know exactly when your plan will end. And if you're trying to avoid being charged again, make sure the cancellation goes through fully and that you receive any confirmation message or email from Lucid. If at any point you can't find the plan, double check that you're logged into the correct account. A lot of cancellation issues happen simply because people are signed into a different email address than the one used to purchase the subscription. So if the plan isn't showing up, that's the first thing I'd verify. And that's it, you've now learned how to cancel Lucidchart from your account settings and billing page. If this video helped you save time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.